Information literacy empowers people in all walks of life to seek, evaluate, use, and create information effectively to achieve their personal, social, occupational, and educational goals. It is a basic human right in a digital world and it promotes social inclusion in all nations.
Types include media literacy, digital literacy, data literacy, computer literacy, critical thinking, and research literacy.
Media literacy. This focuses on critically analyzing and evaluating information presented through various media channels like television, radio, and the internet. Digital literacy. This involves the ability to use digital technologies and information systems effectively, including navigation online platforms and understanding how technologies work.
Data literacy. This skill set includes the ability to understand, interpret, and analyze data presented in various formats like charts, graphs, and datasets. Computer literacy. This refers to the basic understanding and ability to use computers and related technology, including software and hardware.
Critical thinking. This is a fundamental aspect of information literacy, involving evaluating information sources, identifying biases, and forming reasoned judgments.
Research literacy. This includes understanding the research process, identifying